Yan. Aawayin mo lang ako eh.
I'm not.
Anong I'm not?
Mag-video ka?
Every day. Inaaway mo lang ako every day. Now you wanna have a deal with me? Pagtapos mo
Your
kaaway-awayan.
deal, Daddy. I always
Ev-
make a deal with you.
Following the deal.
Pagtapos mo ko awayan just because I'm getting you to eat properly, I'm getting you to drink properly, take a bath on time, toothbrush on time, wake up on time, para hindi magwiwi sa bed. Tas you want to make a deal with me right now? After everything that you did the last week? I can still let you do sleepover, but not with your phone.
Please, Daddy.
Umuulan na naman ako at mag-decide na.
Please, give me another chance.
Kaya nga, you have the chance, but not with your phone.
May contest kami.
Walang ang contest doon.
We have a contest. A contest. Hindi contest. See? Hindi.
Wait, let me remove my smile. Nasa smile ako eh. Let me remove my smile.
No, you're still smiling. Nope.
Ayan.
Nila, no? Hindi sila matapos sa deal nila, no? Sige, mag-ready ka na lang dyan.
Ano, what's the deal?
The deal is...
You can stay and you can use the phone. Do your contest. You can stay, you can use the
May
phone.
contest kami. How many times? Contest.
Contest.
With this.
Oh, yun o, tinan mo yung ginagawa sa'yo ng ano.
It's not a tea, Daddy.
Ay, don't remove. I'm recording because you're, ano eh.
I promise I won't do it again.
What, you're not gonna do what?
Anything rude to you.
Bakit?
And mommy.
Kasi masama yata kaming parents eh. We're bad parents yata kaya kaganyan eh.
Ouch! Don't bite mo sa loob. Bite mo sa ko?
I'm okay you do sleepover, but not with your phone.
Daddy, my contest, you need this.
Eh di borrow mo yung phone nila.
Daddy, they don't let me. Come on. They're not my parents.
Eh di ram mo yung phone niya, no? Tyler.
No.
O yung tablet.
No.
Kaya count to 10. You have to decide na.
Wait, mommy. No, don't
Matagal
tell me.
umuulan eh.
Please, Daddy, my
Ay, tapusin nyo lang yung
contest.
deal nyo dalawa.
Contest, please.
Contest.
Contest.
Away-away. Ngayon, yakap-yakap ka, tas aawayin mo ko bukas. Kasi hindi ka nag-eat ng breakfast properly. Ako aawayin mo, ako pa bad parent. Huwag mo ko daanin sa kiss.
Please.
Love mo ba si Mami? Love mo ba ako?
I know this, Daddy. I already know this.
What am I gonna say next? If
Then
you
don't
really
bring it.
if you really love me and Mommy,
Then I'm not bringing it.
okay. O di tara na. Dali na.
Why?
You just said you're not bringing it.
I